kept him sober for...
Hi everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. Do you remember this soap and how I used the melon baller to make the balls? This is my mint choc chip soap, still selling very nicely. But I mean, there was no waste with cutting the balls from the loaf, because I would just use the shreds as what goes in there. And you know how you're lying in bed or you're walking down the street and you see something? Well, I was thinking about Hersheys Kisses the other night. So I thought instead, and then there's no waste whatsoever. There's a couple of not so great ones, but you're going to get that. I thought instead of balls, why don't I make Hersheys Kisses? So that's exactly what I've done. And I've just piped these. I think it's taken me probably about half an hour to pipe them all. And I thought they'd be absolutely fab as embeds. The picture probably looks a little bit grainy because it's over in the darker part of the room. It's the same if I'm videoing at night, it's quite dark too. So the mixture was starting to go off, so I couldn't use any more of it. So what I've done is I've just popped it in a loaf tin and I'll unmold that and then I'll use that for the shreds. But I thought you might be interested in seeing these. And it's surprising what you see when you're bobbing around and you think, wow, that would make a good soap. I mean, there's literally thousands of ideas that come to your head once you start using your own brain to think of things. Thousands, and it would be awesome to make all of them. Every single idea you had, it would be absolutely fab. But there's a limit to what you can make. Plus, if you're carrying a range, you've got to carry your range. Personally, I would love just to change my range all the time. Make one loaf of a certain soap, and then once it's gone, and move on to another. I'd absolutely love that. But your customers, obviously, they fall in love with a certain soap, and that's the one they want. So there you go. Hope you like my little Hershey Kisses. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.